Nature's ways to entertain us. Have we ever experienced when it rains heavily, we forget to bring an umbrella? Then we were drenched in cold. However, when we prepare a raincoat, it's hot and scorching comes to burn the day. Are you annoyed? Or maybe we've been in a hurry to catch up with time, but the trip stuttered as if letting us be late. However, when we want to drive calmly, other drivers honk their horns to make us speed up. Are you annoyed? Why are things often unfriendly? They seem to tease, outwit, even laugh out loud. Is this what is called unlucky? Just be aware, it is nature's way of entertaining us. That's nature's way of making us smile, laugh at ourselves, and make jokes for real. The annoyance arises from because we do not try to be friendly with the situation. We're just selfish. We forget that if indeed our wishes are not achieved, there is nothing wrong with welcoming them with a smile, even though we are disappointed. It's okay. Thank you for watching.